三宝，也不可以泄露三宝。二，不反道败德。三，多了愿，多行功立德，如此，我们才可以回天上的故家乡。
Our physical body is a temporary home for our soul. When the journey of our life comes to an end, our soul will leave the body and enter another world. The three treasures you have received are the token for returning to the heavenly home. They are the most important things in our lives. The following are the three main points that you need to keep in mind. 1. Do not forget and disclose the three treasures. 2. Do not do anything illegal, immoral, or harmful to yourself and others. 3. Do as much as you can to fulfill your vows and accumulate merits and virtues. By following these 3 points, you will be able to return to the heavenly home.
现在，让我们来简单的介绍一下三宝。
Now, let's briefly introduce the 3 treasures.
第一宝，玄关窍，灵性进出的门户。
The first treasure, heavenly portal. The main gate to our true nature/true self.
在庄严神圣的求道仪式中，点传师在我们的玄关窍这魔一点，点燃了自信之光明。当下玄关窍立刻现出了